Installing Storemapper is easy. The first step is to copy your embed code and paste it onto a page. So first, where's the embed code? You can grab your embed code with this button here, or from your settings menu. Get embed code. This is it here. You click it and you'll highlight it, and you just press Control-C or Command-C on the Mac to copy it. Now you just need to paste it into a page. This will work on any website or CMS, including Shopify, WordPress, BigCommerce, Magento, Volution, OpenCart, 3dcart, Squarespace, Wix, Prestacart, or literally any website. In this example, I'm going to use Shopify. I've created a page called Storemapper, and I'm just going to paste in the code. The only trick is to make sure that you're pasting in raw HTML. Right here, I'm going to click this Show HTML page and paste it in. The equivalent of this on WordPress is to use the text option. Now I'm just going to hit save. And view the page. As you can see, Storemapper is rendered on the page completely just from the embed code. There is no second step. You only have to add the code once, and changes will automatically update to your site. If you work with a developer, just email them the code. Next, you'll need to learn how to add some stores.